When most people hear the word AI, they think of productivity, working faster, automating tasks, doing more in less time. And yes, that part matters, but the real advantage of AI isn't speed, it's clarity. Right now, the highest performers aren't just using AI to get more done. They're using it to think more clearly, regulate emotions, build calm, grounded confidence, make better long-term decisions. In other words, they're using AI as a mental upgrade. This video is about that side of AI, not hype, not get rich quick, not tools you'll forget in a week, but practical, repeatable ways to use AI to upgrade your mindset, confidence, and success trajectory. Starting today. 1. AI as a clarity engine, eliminating mental overload. Let's start with the real problem most people are dealing with today. It's not laziness, it's not a lack of ambition, and it's definitely not a lack of information. It's mental overload, too many ideas, too many responsibilities, too many expectations. Your brain was never designed to hold everything at once, and when your mind is cluttered, confidence collapses. This is where high performers use AI very differently from everyone else. They don't use it to do more. They use it to think clearer. Here's the core habit. They treat AI like an external brain. At least once a day, they dump everything that's swirling in their head. Tasks, worries, half-finished ideas, random thoughts, unclear goals. Then they ask, organize this. What actually matters right now? What can wait? What happens next is powerful. AI turns chaos into structure. You start seeing what's urgent versus what's just loud, what actually moves you forward, what's draining energy without results. This alone reduces anxiety because uncertainty is stressful, clarity is calming, and when you feel calm, you start trusting yourself again. That's why clarity is the first layer of confidence. Without it, motivation doesn't stick. With it, momentum becomes natural. 2. AI as a personal coach, reframing your mindset. Once clarity improves, the next upgrade is mindset. And mindset is not about being positive, it's about how you interpret events. Two people can experience the same failure. One sees proof they're not good enough. The other sees feedback, same event, different interpretation. That interpretation determines confidence. This is where AI becomes a powerful personal coach, not a hype machine, a thinking partner. When something goes wrong, instead of spiraling internally, high performers externalize the situation. They explain what happened to AI and ask, help me reframe this in a grounded, honest way. No sugarcoating. What they get back is perspective. AI helps separate emotion from facts, identify controllable variables, extract lessons instead of blame. This trains your brain to respond instead of react. Over time, something shifts. Failure stops feeling personal. Criticism stops feeling threatening. Setbacks stop killing momentum. That emotional stability is confidence, not loud confidence. Quiet, grounded confidence, the kind that compounds over time. 3. Breaking limiting beliefs. With AI, most limitations aren't physical, they're stories. Stories like, I'm not disciplined, I'm bad with money, I always lose motivation. These beliefs quietly shape behavior. AI helps you challenge them logically. Prompt, break down this belief. Where did it come from? Is it objectively true? You'll often discover the belief is outdated. It's based on one or two experiences. It ignores evidence of progress. When beliefs change, identity shifts, and identity drives consistency. 4. AI for emotional regulation, staying calm under pressure. Confidence isn't loud, it's calm. The ability to stay grounded when emotions spike, stress, frustration, anxiety, is a massive advantage. High performers pause. They tell AI, I'm feeling reactive. Help me slow this down and respond rationally. AI helps. Name emotions accurately, identify triggers, suggest grounded responses. This prevents impulsive decisions, and emotional regulation builds quiet authority. 5. AI as a discipline and habit building system. Discipline fails when it relies on motivation. AI helps you build systems. Instead of asking, how do I become more disciplined? Ask, design a routine that works with my energy, not against it. AI can create realistic schedules, suggest habit stacking, reduce friction points. Consistency builds self-trust, and self-trust is the backbone of confidence. 6. AI as a personal mirror, self-awareness upgrade. Self-awareness is uncomfortable. That's why most people avoid it. AI provides a neutral mirror. You can paste journal entries, describe conflicts, share recurring problems, and ask, what patterns do you see in my behavior? This accelerates insight, and you can't change what you don't see. 7. Reprogramming negative self-talk with AI. Confidence erodes quietly. Through internal dialogue, AI helps rewrite it in a grounded way. Prompt: rewrite this thought in a realistic, confident tone. Not fake hype, not denial, just stable thinking. Over time, your brain adopts that voice. 8. AI as a decision-making partner. Most bad decisions are emotional. AI introduces distance. You can ask, what bias might be affecting me? What are the second-order consequences? What would my future self choose? This improves judgment, and judgment compounds into success. 9. Building a daily AI mindset ritual. Here's a simple daily structure. Morning, clarity. What deserves my focus today? Midday, reset. Help me refocus and regain momentum. Night, reflection. What went well? What should I improve? 10 minutes. Massive clarity. 10. The hidden danger of AI, important warning. AI should support thinking, not replace it. Avoid overdependence, endless reassurance, analysis without action. Use AI as a coach, a mirror, a guide, not a crutch. AI won't make you successful, but it will remove friction. It will sharpen thinking, stabilize emotions, strengthen confidence. The future won't belong to the busiest people. It will belong to the clearest thinkers. And clarity is now available on demand.